Hello, we will just wait some minutes for other people to join and we start. Okay, so I will share my screen now. Do you see the syllabus? Let me know when you see my screen.
We can see your screen.
Okay. So hello, my name is Karin Habshi and I'm going to teach you the ENST 300 course. I hope you will enjoy the course. So this course is a mixture of research and of engineering material. So we will learn, if you want, it's like a summary of several courses. So it will involve thermal engineering, it will involve fluids, it will involve also the design of new renewable energy systems. So it's a very wide course. We will try to go over first some chapters that are basics in engineering to learn what are the forms of energy and how energy can be transformed from one to the other. Then we will go over different renewable energy sources as solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, and finally we'll have a chapter on the economical assessment of a certain project. هلا, a very important part in the course is the project. In the project, you will choose a topic. So it can be any topic. I will propose for you several topics. So you are free to choose one of them, or if you want, you can propose a topic, but it just should be the subject to be related to the course material. So if you have any suggestion, just you will send me the topic you want, and I will tell you if it's suitable or not for the course. So in this course, we will cover the fundamental principles underlying the generation, storage, and delivery of energy. So as we said, the course will introduce variable techniques of energy production that will include fossil fuels and renewable energies, such as wind power and solar energy. Furthermore, we will discuss energy storage techniques and we will address the environmental and economical impact of energy generation and delivery. So we will cover these subjects with students with a background in science and engineering. I know that maybe some of you are of different background. So this is why now I want to know each one of you and what is your field, because sometimes I have students from law or from different fields. So and according to this, of course, I will try to have the material to be convenient for all and be clear for all. Okay, so don't worry, even if you don't have an engineering background, I will try my best so that the material will be explained from zero for you, so that you will be able to go with the course with a simple way. Okay, so we will cover several subjects. We will see photovoltaic cells, the wind power, batteries, nuclear power, and of course, to be able to do all of this, first we will have a certain introduction chapters on fundamentals of fluid and thermal physics and mechanics. in order to understand how energy can be converted from one form to the other. In general, the prerequisites for the course are basic physics and introductory thermal and fluid science. But as I told you, I will repeat the main ideas in each chapter. You are not supposed to have a very good background before, because we will repeat everything together, because as you know, in this course we have students from different backgrounds. Now, concerning textbooks, in general, everything will be given for you in the material, but of course, in case you need additional information, there is several references that you can read in. Okay, one of these references are the book Energy Sciences, Principle, Technologies, and Impact. And you have also different possible reference material, but in the slides you will find everything needed. For the course material, you don't have to go to for exams. When you study exams, you can just go to the slides, everything is there. Okay, now concerning the course objectives, we have so at the end of the course you will be provided with the fundamental scientific principles that govern the generation of energy and its use in modern society, and you will be introduced to variable ways of generating, storing, and delivering energy. In addition, we'll develop an appreciation of the environmental and economical issues that need to be addressed when we want to use energy in modern life. And finally, you will be introduced to writing a research paper on an energy topic. The last point is, for me, the most important one. This is why we will start from now, okay, to talk about guidelines for the research paper. And because we should present the project 1 month from now. Okay, so this time I choose to start with the project because in general I keep the project for the end, but we don't have enough time to discuss together. This is why what we will do this time, you will start now. I will give you some ideas. You will read in this week during from now till next time. We will do some readings. I posted several subjects for you on Moodle, and I will propose for you different uh, possible topics. So, and you can think about something that is interesting for you. It can be different than what I propose. And then from next week, I will give you the guidelines for the project. In this way, after nearly 1 month, you will be ready. So we will do interactive sessions together. Each group will present its topic, so we can learn from each other in this procedure. Now, the chapters involved, we have 8 chapters that will be covered. The first chapter is an introduction to energy science. The second is thermal energy. The third one is steam power plants and gas turbines. Then we will go to energy from fossil fuels, and then cover different renewable energies as hydropower, wind power, and solar energy. And as I told you, as a final chapter will be an economical assessment. We will see how we assess economically if a project is viable or not. Now, hopefully, at the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of the variable means of energy production and their environmental impact. We'll be able to design a system for energy generation and analyze its benefits, limitations, and economic implications. And we'll have a basic knowledge of energy storage and delivery methods and their associated economic and technical constraints in their use in respective applications. Now, I will move to Moodle to tell you how the material is divided. Okay, it was opened here. Let me check. Yes. So it's here. Okay. So this is your Moodle for the course. In the first part, do you see now my screen? the Moodle screen?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, okay. So first, in the first part here, you have several links for different energy topics, different topics in this course. For example, you have an article about renewable energy, financial risk analysis of renewable energy technologies, climate change, electricity generation from foodstuffs, rising ocean temperature, oil companies investing in windmills, hyperloop transportation. So you have variable topics that all are related to our course. So please try from now to next time to have a look on these topics and to see what is the topics that can be interesting for you. You can select, as I told you, one of these, or you can uh, suggest any topic related to energy. So it can be a type of renewable energy related to solar, related to wind energy, related to hydropower. Some students maybe with economical background can do a project with a more يعني a lot of students take, for example, or choose to take something in as application in engineering, or you can have also application in economics. So one of the possible topics is, for example, how much are economically viable the renewable energy projects, for example. Okay, so you have variable possibilities here. So just take a look on them, and if you like one of them, you can just send me a message to say I want to work on this topic. So please, if you do it in a fast way, because sometimes it will be reserved. So the faster you are, you will have a chance to take the topic that you like. Okay, because I will not allow for the same topic into groups. So as soon as possible, try to select the project you want. Now, of course, in the course syllabus part, I will post the syllabus we have seen together today. Now, in the course material section, you have all chapters that will be covered in the course. Okay, you will have them. You have them as PDFs, and also I recorded my voice over PowerPoint for you. So if you want, if any slide is not clear, you can hear the explanation on it on the slide directly. And also already all material is recorded with explanation on Zoom. So you have two options. You have the slides with my voiceover. So here you have for each slide, when you are studying, if you forgot something, you can just press on the sound button and you can hear the explanation. And another possibility is that you have a playlist for the course, all the sessions, all the classes uh, explained in detail. Okay, so you can access them through the YouTube playlist link. So basically, these are the recordings done before. Okay, you have the full material explained in detail with question of students, etc. And you have now the Zoom link, which will be for live session together. So what we will do in order to profit more from time together, the strategy is this time I will solve, for each chapter, I will give you some assignment and we will solve them together. Plus, we will do interactive sessions on the topics you will choose for the project. And once you are done with the project, we will have sessions for you to present the projects, and all of you should be involved in. You will ask questions. So in this way, we will learn a lot of new things. And for each chapter also, for you to understand better and to see applications directly, for each chapter, I searched for YouTube links that will be helpful for you. Okay, so in case you have a chapter that is with the formulas, I choose some explanations for the formulas on YouTube and some numerical example to help you, especially if you don't have a mechanical engineering background. And finally, we have problems. For all, in general, we will do live sessions for problems together. you already have sessions recorded for problems, and I will do other sessions for you with a new problem. So I will post assignments, and then I post the solution, and we do them again together, so you can see what are your the errors you did, and what were your problems in the solution of problems. So this is in summary what I want to tell you. Now I want to know each one of you, what is your background and why you choose this course. So please, can we start? I will start one by one. So Ahmad Shenati, it's like this.
Yes, that's
Okay, Ahmad, can you tell me please? Yeah.
I'm a mechanical engineering senior, and I chose this course because I'm minoring in energy studies, and I also would like to follow that in my master's studies, hopefully.
Okay, Ahmad, thank you. Ali Najam.
Hello. Yes, I'm a mechanical engineer as well, senior, and I'm interested in energy studies and trying to enter the field of sustainability. So I'm researching about that.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Antoine Haswani.
Yeah, hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, hi. So I'm also a mechanical engineer in my final year of studies. And throughout my studies, I always liked the energy concepts that I took in my major. So I decided to take the course and have again an overview on all the topics that I had already took.
Okay, thank you, Antoine. Karen Musa.
Hi, doctor.
Hello.
I'm a senior mechanical engineering student. I'm minoring in bioengineering design, but I love energy studies and I'm looking forward for this class. Thank you.
Oh, very good. So maybe you can choose a bioengineering topic because it's an interesting field for the project.
Yes, maybe, yes.
Okay, hopefully. Sharif Kanaan.
Yes, hi, I'm a
Hello.
fourth year mechanical engineering student, and my friends recommended the course, and since I'm interested in energy studies, I registered.
Okay, thank you, Sharif.
Thank
Jad Abu Raad.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
I'm a fourth year mechanical engineer student, and I'm also interested in energy studies. That's why I took the course.
So until now, all of you are mechanical engineers. Jana.
Yep.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm a chemical engineering senior student, and I'm interested in energy studies, and I've heard great feedback about the course.
Okay. Jad Abu Raad. Jad, do you hear
Yes.
me? Yes, Jad.
Yeah, I just هلا حكيت مس.
Sorry.
It's
Okay,
fine,
it's fine. Sorry. Jawad Bumerai. Jawad, do you hear me? هاتوا جواد دور الزوم وفال. Okay, it's fine. Jawad Nassar.
Hello. Yeah, I'm
Hello,
a
can you hear
fourth year
me?
mechanical engineer.
Sorry, I had an electricity cut.
It's fine, Jad. It's fine. Tell me. Yes. So it's Jad Abu Raad?
No, it's Jawad.
Jawad. Yes, Jawad. Tell me.
Yes, I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering student, and I registered for the course because I'm interested in the topics given in energy studies.
Okay. Karim?
Hi, doctor. How are you?
Hello, Karim.
I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering student, and I discovered that I like energy studies when I took the course about energy economics. So my friends recommended this course.
Okay. So maybe in this way, maybe you can combine your knowledge about economics with engineering to
Yes,
project.
sure.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Lama?
Hi, I'm a senior in chemical engineering, and I'm really interested in the material of the course.
Okay, good. So at least we have one different background, chemical engineering.
No, Jana is majoring in chemical engineering as well.
اوكي اوكي اوكي. Now it's the turn. يمكن عم بيرجع يعيد الأسامي. So لين مكاوي.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
Lynn.
also a chemical engineering senior, and I'm
Okay.
interested in sustainable energy and alternative energy futures. So that's why I took this course, because I
Okay.
know there's a section that talks about that.
Okay, thank you. Mark?
Yes, hello, Miss.
Hello, Mark.
Yes, I'm a senior mechanical engineer student, and I'm looking into working in the renewable energy sector. So that's a
Okay.
small introduction.
Thank you. Marwa?
Hello, I'm a third year chemical engineering student, and I chose this course since I'm interested in sustainability and renewable energy, basically.
Okay. Sahar?
Yes, good evening, doctor.
Good evening.
I am engineering management graduate student.
Oh, it's nice.
Yes.
So I hope you will not find difficulties in the course. We'll try my best.
Yeah, I chose it as a free elective anyway.
That's okay, it's fine.
I don't know. I'm still considering my options actually. This
Okay.
week I will
Look, if you want, in the playlist posted, you have all classes from the first class to the last one. So
yes.
take a look, especially at the first one. Don't get upset from the first lectures. And first lectures are a little bit very just oriented engineering, but after it will become easier. So if you do a small effort and I can help you, it will be fine. Because I had last semester a student in law, so it's so very hard. So maybe engineering management is a little bit closer. So
originally I'm a CCE student. So.
Oh, okay. No,
Yeah.
so it's fine.
Yes, it should be fine.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
Yasmina?
Yes, hello.
Hello.
I'm a mechanical engineer, and I've been told the course is really interesting, and I tried to take it with Dr. Alawi previously, but I couldn't, so I'm taking it now.
Okay. Okay. So anyone didn't talk? Okay, so nice to meet you, and hopefully you will enjoy the course. Whenever you have any question, feel free to text me whenever you want. You can send me emails, but if you want for it to be easier, you can send me a private message on WhatsApp and I can directly answer you. Okay, so now our plan from now till next week, I want you to go over these topics, to read a little bit about them, and even you can try to think about any ideas that is interesting for you in this field and suggest it to me. So next week I will give you the guideline for the project, so we can start to form groups. And then hopefully you can, because I know maybe now it's better because at the end of the semester you will have a lot of load. So now I know you have free time. This is why it will be better for you, and in this way we can have more time during the sessions to discuss together and to have interaction together. Okay, so this is our scopus for next week, and then starting from next week I will tell you how to organize your time in the material, so that you can start to hear the voiceover PowerPoint and to look at the lectures, and we will have live sessions to do problems together to help you in understanding all concepts. Okay, any question?
Doctor, I had an electricity cut. Did you say that you're gonna post recorded lectures on Moodle?
Look, already you have a link for all recorded lectures. So you have PowerPoints for each chapter. The PowerPoints are already recorded with my voice. Okay.
Okay.
But if you want also, and I gave you the two options. If you prefer to go slide by slide and to hear the voice, it's fine. The second option, all classes of the course are registered on a YouTube playlist link. So if let us see it together.
Okay, thank you.
So the link is already posted for you. Okay, you have all sessions from 0 to the end. Okay, so here all chapters are explained in details, in little details. Okay, so you can go over them, and I will tell you, for example, this week go over these videos, and of course you can, any question you have, you can directly send it to me. Plus I will do live sessions with you to solve more problems, to understand more the concept. So if you have any problem with something, we'll repeat the material if you find difficulties, or and I will suggest new problems and we will solve them together. So it will be like this. Okay, but already I found it will be helpful for you to have these videos, because the class was already given in small details. Okay, so you can find here everything you want. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Yes, doctor, can we please have an idea about the grading system? Exams, midterms?
Yes, of course. Concerning the grading systems, we'll have 2 exams. Okay. And I will give you some sample tests to see the style. It's very simple. So if you understand the problems we solve together, okay, you will do very well. So don't worry about it. The exam will test your knowledge. I don't want you to memorize anything by heart, and it's not, I will not test word by word the things. Just if you read the slides 2-3 times, and if you hear the sessions, just you should understand the concepts of ideas. So I will ask multiple choice questions to test if you understood the concept of things we are taking together. And we will have small problems, okay? Small problems that can be solved. So in each exam, you might have 3 to 4, or depending on the exam, maximum 6-7 numerical questions, and the other questions will be multiple choice. Okay. Now for the 2 exams, the percentage will be one on the exam on 30%, and the final exam on so the midterm, if you want, 30%, and the final exam 35%, and the project 35%. So basically you can take a very high grade. The average of last semester was around above 80. So if you study well, you can take a very high grade. So don't worry about exams. If you are well prepared, you will do well. Okay. And for the project, you should do a PowerPoint and a report. Okay. So your grade will be divided into the report you do and your presentation, your live presentation with the questions I will ask you. Okay. Any other question?
Okay, Doctor. Yes, and I have a question.
Yes.
I don't know if I missed this part أو شو بس do we have an exact number for the groups for the project or we can choose?
You can be I prefer groups of 2. Some students, maybe because we have a critical case now, you can do it on your own. So we can have 1 per group or 2 per group. Maximum 3, but if you take it as 3, I expect that the load should be high. Okay?
Okay. Okay, deal. Thank you.
Welcome. Any other question? Okay, so I hope we'll have a nice experience in this course, and we so see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Bye.
Thank you.